Hello and welcome everyone to Little Carta Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen Little Carta. Just more information about this show and my podcast show, arts, crafts, and everything in between can be found on my website, eileenlittlecarta.com. Alrighty, guys, thank you so much for joining me. So today I'm going to be sharing with you what came in my Happy Crafter subscription box, and I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what some of what this month's digital files look like and an overview of what we got in our bag. Our box. Excuse me. Alright, be right back. Alrighty, so far it always comes with a blank. Last week was, not last week, last month was 80s theme. This month seems patriotic. And you can check their website to check the theme. And this one comes with a cooler. I definitely cannot wait to try and personalize that. It comes with a digital file just like last month. This one is a little bit bigger, and last month has more. This one has just 3, but this one is a really big image right here. And let me just leave it down there so you guys can see it better. And then really love this. And so it comes with several types of different vinyl. It comes with like metallic finishes. This is like a pearlescent one. We also got some printable vinyl. No, that's not what it's called. It's called 2 sheets of HTV patterns. Excuse me. So that's what that's called. And this tie-dye. Some more vinyl. And yeah, so it comes with, I think this is the 7 sheets of Caesar Easy Weave, and then it comes with 2 sheets of Easy Weave electric. So that was like electric. Those were the electric ones. So this is the Easy Weave, the 7 pieces. And that's why it has different finishes and different colors. Yeah, so I love this blue, gray, and then this one is 2 sheets of scissor holographic. So this is really pretty. And where did the paper go? Then we get this is the brick. This Mama Jamma is really, really thick. This is supposed to be for dimensional, and I cannot wait to give that a try. I already have an idea. We get 2 sheets of Caesar Weed not glitter. So, if I can get that in out there. We get a red one. Each box will be different. So, and then here is the other pattern vinyl we get. And then this is the metallic, I think it was. Or, where is it? I keep wearing it. Yeah. Metal. This is one sheet of Caesar metal. So that's really cool. Really shiny. And it got a little bent, but it's alright. We'll get it to work. And then we get this little piece right here. That is very clingy. Like, it's because of the static clean. And then we get some transfer sheets. So we get 3 of these bad boys. Alrighty guys, so that was my Happy Crafters monthly subscription box. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. Or you can always email me your comments or questions. My email is Eileen@eileenlocroft.com. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.